If you're a US citizen and you see ICE detaining someone, here's what you can do to protect that person and maybe stop a wrongful deportation. If you see ICE detaining someone in public, stay calm but don't walk away. If you're seeing someone being arrested on the street, on the sidewalk, outside of their place of work, pull out your phone and record everything. As long as you're not interfering physically, you can document what's going on. Focus on the officers, what they say, what the person being detained is saying, and any aggression or anything wrong that you may be seeing. Ask loudly but respectfully, what's your name and badge number to the officer? What agency are you with? Why are you detaining this person? This creates public pressure and lets ICE know that people are watching. And try to get information from the person who's being detained. If you can, ask them their name and their date of birth. Ask if they have family or a lawyer that you can contact for them. Even yelling, "Do you want me to call someone?" can be of help. And you can remind them to not answer any questions. You can remind them to ask for a lawyer and to not sign anything. You can literally say these things out loud while they're being detained. Now, again, you cannot interfere physically. You don't want to be in a situation where you're obstructing law enforcement. But asking questions, documenting what's going on, and being fully present is legal. And don't fall for their bluffs either. If they threaten you with harboring or interference just because you're standing there filming, that's not how the law works. You're not breaking the law by being present, recording, and asserting rights. Now, if ICE shows up at someone's home and you happen to be there, ask to see the warrant. Say, do you have a judicial warrant signed by a judge? And if they don't, they do not have permission to enter the home. ICE oftentimes tries to use an administrative ICE warrant in order to say that they have the right to arrest someone. But again, this is not a legal document that allows entry into someone's home for purposes of an arrest. And no one should open the door in this situation either. ICE can trick people into opening the door. Just opening it a crack could be twisted into you giving consent. So make sure that the door is closed and talk through it if you need to. And also record everything. Again, get badge numbers, license plates of cars that they may have come in, as well as their statements that they're making. This helps fight back later if there's a need to do so. And say very clearly that the person that they are seeking to detain does not consent to any questioning or entry into the home. Now, if the person is already detained by ICE, you can find out where they are by using the ICE detainee locator. You can just Google that, ICE detainee locator, and the website will come up. And if you have the person's full name and country of birth, you should be able to locate where they are. Make sure you also have access to their documents, immigration records, medical records, tax records, proof of US citizen family, employment records. These kinds of documents can make a huge difference when trying to seek bond for that individual's release. And if the person has an immigration lawyer, make sure they're contacted. You may not be undocumented, but your voice, your presence, and your camera matters. And it can protect someone who is. Save this and share because ICE counts on people not knowing the law. Follow us for more immigration news and information.